just want the power. Said everybody want the power. She put her nose up in the powder. She think I'm about to give her power. Said I just want the power. Get up in it by the hour. Dive up in it like MacGyver. Pipe it up in that pussy right.
What up, y'all? Stunt N Ride season 2, episode I don't know, whatever. I got the bet on Jacks. About to paint the calipers blue. So we got them right here. Already did after work. About to spray them down. In case y'all want to know who I'm talking to, it's Mr. T over here. Mr. Terrence. Yup. So boom. Did have to work. About to spray them down right now. So. And then I just like right now I cut out a scene and then I just. Yo, because right now I need a URL. Because right now for the video.
Oh yeah, all you gonna get off is the grime and the dirt and the loose shit. And so you when you paint over.
All right, boom. Got the brackets done. As you can see that, bow. Crispy as fuck. So now got the actual caliper, the pistons and stuff. Let y'all see. It's getting a little dark, so I'm gonna try to speed this shit up. Grab it. Rears, boom. And I'm gonna paint them tonight too, I don't care. Mind you, I was doing all the camera work myself, so sorry. It's shitty. I just realized I can flip my little screen thing up and see myself. It's perfect. So, boom. Driver's side.
Yes, sir. Is this enough?
That should be enough. Alright, look y'all. Took a minute. Finally got the damn car prepped up. There you go. Finally got the car prepped. Mr. T let me use his lights, so it took a minute. Boom. Perfect. Sir.
You want me to bring the light out this way? Come over around you. That's better.
Hold on, let's see what that boy talking about. Yeah, prime time like Dion. Okay, y'all see this now. Appreciate you, Mr. T. So Mr. T's gonna help with the first coat. Gonna go light sprays just to get it on there. Oop. Simple. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some gloves. Yeah, this 3M too. So.
Yeah, sitting against that white. I think you made the best choice on the blue.
Red's cool, but it's like everybody do it, and then ZR1 calipers is blue. Like like the last top model of that, no matter what color it comes in, they calipers is blue. So it can be orange, the calipers is blue. It can be silver, the calipers is blue.
Oh, okay.
You could look that up for a fact. The badge is blue. ZR1 badge is black and blue.
Okay. Reason for that, or just that's how they do it?
I don't know. That's just what Chevy did.
Okay.
Because but it always been like it's been like that at least since like when they brought it back out in 08. It's been like it's been blue. So I just
We'll give them a close up.
Oh yeah. Another close up for y'all. Y'all think Mr. T, cause he coming with the close-up ideas. I've been messing up. I've been slacking on it. Mind you, we gonna come through in the AM time and show you what it really looks like and all that. Appreciate the views. Comment, like, subscribe, share, all that. And we gonna try to get Mr. T a channel too. He's got a Ford Taurus. What year?
2012.
2012. So y'all know about the show. I've been telling him about the show.
Oh yeah. I only got a limited though, but you know.
It's still a vehicle.
Yeah, because that's where I go. That's where I went to YouTube to learn how to switch my lights out, to replace my lights, headlights and brake lights. It wasn't all that complicated. Just need the right tools. That's half the job.
Yep. Good tools. And once you start realizing that, you can do anything.
Yeah, that's how I do.
Safe to say.
Cause they just charge a little too much for certain things. Now, I ain't no mechanic or nothing. I wouldn't go do my brakes.
No.
Cause I ain't ready for that. I'm still a new boo.
He thinks he is. You could siphon a lawnmower, you could do this. Or siphon a snowblower's gas, you could do this. I feel like. That was coat number 4 on this bad boy?
Yeah, for the
Fronts. Excellent. Let's go ahead and show y'all. And about high temp, loud and cool. Whoa, what's going on? Now, y'all see Mr. Terrence over there washing the wood, y'all.
What's up, YouTube?
Yep, see. Getting it clean. Yeah, so pretty much, peel off the letters. Yep, gonna peel off the letters. And then put these bad boys back in. So we gonna see what's up, but this is how they looking right now. In the daylight, very dry. Very solid. Hold on. Kind of messed up on the double T's, but you know, R a little bit. But I mean, for the most part, it's cool. I mean, we could always paint them again. Look cool from far away. Look really nice. So that, you know, this ain't no show car. Fuck all that. I mean, if I really wanted to, I'd get a paintbrush and go in depth with this bad boy. But you know, I ain't about to do all that. So that's what it is.
No time for me to run back. Coming from the bottom, cheese sandwiches and Kool-Aid. I'm just thinking, what's the problem? I was blessed to see a new day. Watch your back from snakes. Niggas faker than the toupee. I remember PS2 Street Ball before the 2K. From the era of 50 Cent, and I'm hated by many men. Niggas sweet like an Eminem, screaming, fuck you, you, him, and him. You ever have food stamps? They treat me like a new champ. Niggas really bitches sneak this and having mood crash. If it ain't directed, then you soft, cause you rather text it. Been through hell and back, I never lost, I passed through adolescence. Take a puff of clouds, cough higher than the second heaven. I'm in a different state of mind, you don't know what I know. Not at all. Reefer got me feeling fine, you can't blow what I wrote. Rock bottom.